This is a cluster bean plant. Almost in a flowering stage. It's in a flowering stage now. I set my rooftop garden. I put the poles with the stick and used a small shade net yet to be completed. And I'm waiting for the rain. If the rain starts in the month of June, I will be start seeding the plant. This is an elephant yam plant. This is the chili plant and it start flowering now. You can see the flower and the chili. The wind is too high. I'm not able to focus. Again a cluster bean plant. Is an earlier plantation which I have made. It's a chili plant which has started flowering. You can see, I think I have focused it well. It's a flowering stage of a chili plant. It's a very small plant. It's my rooftop garden where I set the buckets. It's approximately 150 buckets where I placed. The cultivation is just going to start in a few days, expecting for the rain. If the rain comes, automatically the climate will change and the plant will be healthy. I put a drip system for my rooftop garden. These are the few plants which I planted earlier. I was checking the drip whether it is working fine or not. It's perfectly working. This is one of a type of a palak. These all buckets are yet to be filled. I have not seeded yet. I have to place the seeds, expecting for the rain. The rain comes, I'll make the plantation. The shade net I have placed for the protection of the plant from the sun, otherwise the plant will dry and die. You can see over here. It's a marigold plant. Each and every bucket is being irrigated through drip system only. The total cultivation is being done in an organic manner. We are not using any pesticides or any chemicals. We do it in a natural way. This is a beans plant. Due to the harsh climate, it could not able to survive much. It's just again regaining. If the climate changes, certainly it's going to yield well. It is a lady's finger plant. You can see it has started yielding. It's a small plant only. It has started yielding.